Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming essentials: a charge tracker, an active SIM or data plan, and the vendor app installed on your phone. First, power the tracker and complete any device activation in the app. Once paired by QR or Bluetooth, grant location and background permissions so the app can update continuously. Make sure notifications are allowed, otherwise you won't get alerts. This initial setup connects device identity to your account, which is why these steps are mandatory before tracking anyone reliably. Once done pairing, invite family members to the tracker profile by sending app invites or using phone numbers. You control who sees location. Configure permission levels, view only if privacy matters, or admin for full control. Next, create geofences for home, school, or work and set entry/exit alerts. Adjust location update frequency to balance accuracy and battery life. Higher HZ gives real-time data but drains power faster. Make sure battery alerts are enabled so you're notified before the device dies. To finish, verify live updates and test a geofence by walking through it. Confirm the app shows recent timestamps and correct location. If updates stop, make sure the SIM data is active, GPS has sky view, and your app runs in background with permissions. If a device shows stale location, force a manual sync, reboot the tracker, or reinstall the app. One key tip: if problems persist, swap the SIM into a phone to test connectivity before contacting vendor support. This narrows the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.